Including our esteemed doctors team, our principals from school and our junior college and our degree college principal ma'am, and all the volunteers as well as all the supportive team for today's health camp program. The next I would like to thank you and welcome the doctors team from our Elpizo Super Speciality Hospital and Medical Research Center for coming here and organizing such a great camp for as an event of our DLV program. So I would like to thank all of you.